Video editing rooms often contain electronic equipment with electrical components, and an electrical fire involves burning materials that conduct electricity. ABC fire extinguishers are suitable for a wide range of fires, including Class A ordinary combustibles, Class B flammable liquids, and Class C electrical. However, they may not be as effective against electrical fires as specialized extinguishers. Electrical-specific extinguishers are designed to extinguish electrical fires, typically containing clean agents such as carbon dioxide or hydrofluorocarbons, which do not conduct electricity and can safely smother electrical flames. A fan test measures the effectiveness of fire extinguishers in enclosed spaces by simulating the flow of air into the room. If the video editing rooms do not require a fan test, this may suggest that the fire risk is not significant enough to warrant specialized extinguishers. To determine the best course of action, firstly, engage an experienced fire safety consultant or certified fire inspector to assess the specific fire hazards in the video editing rooms and recommend appropriate fire suppression methods. Secondly, consider other fire protection measures that may be necessary, such as smoke and heat detectors, sprinkler systems, and proper ventilation and electrical safeguards. Thirdly, ensure that personnel are properly trained on the use of fire extinguishers and that all equipment is regularly inspected and maintained. While electrical-specific extinguishers may provide better protection against electrical fires, their necessity in video editing rooms that do not require a fan test is questionable. It is essential to consult with a fire safety professional to determine the most appropriate course of action based on a thorough fire hazard assessment.